The Belkin Difference. Pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. Fast charge your iPhone 8 or later from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes, when paired with 18W USB PD charger. With these durable USB-C to Lightning cables, you can give your iPhone 8 or later a fast charge, up to 50% in 30 minutes when paired with an 18W USB PD charger. They're tested to survive 10,000 plus bends, and feature an enhanced braided nylon exterior, so they'll last no matter how many times you plug or unplug them in. MFi-certified to meet Apple standards. Available in multiple lengths and colors. Braided nylon exterior tested to withstand 10,000 plus bends. Top reviews from the United States. We really like this one. This is great to be used when you're in the living room and your extension cord is not long enough, or in the car and you have to reach in the back with guests or other stuff. Overall, I really like it. Braided. First time purchasing a braided cable, and man, is this thing nice. Have been using it for over 5 months now. This cable stays in my car. I paired it with a Belkin fast charging car charger, and together they charge my phone fast.